Let's make elderberry syrup. Making syrup is easy and can be used in many ways. To make your syrup, you will need fresh or dried elderberries, water, a saucepan, a spoon, and a heat source. Later, you will need a strainer and some honey. I prefer local raw honey. You may wish to add other ingredients into your syrup such as ginger, cinnamon, cloves, rosehips, or vanilla for additional immune support and flavor. My raw honey has been infused with vanilla. If making with fresh berries, start with equal amounts of berries and water. I have 1 cup of berries, so I'll be adding 1 cup of water to my saucepan with the berries. If you're using dried berries, add 1/2 the amount of berries as water. Add in any extra ingredients now. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of broken cinnamon stick, and 3 or 4 cloves. Later, I'll add in the raw honey that was infused with vanilla. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once the mixture begins to boil, turn down the heat and simmer the berries for about an hour or until the mixture is reduced by half. Do not cover your berries while you are cooking them so that the steam can rise off of them. Once the mixture has reduced by half, turn off the heat and let it cool down until it is just warm. Strain off the berries through the strainer and return the liquid to the saucepan. Add in honey to equal half the amount of the liquid you have left. I have 1/2 cup of liquid left, so I'll add 1/4 cup of honey. Stir the ingredients together to dissolve the honey into the liquid. This may take a few minutes. Your elderberry syrup is completed. Pour it into a bottle. Be sure to add a label to your syrup, listing when it was made and the ingredients you added in. Store in the refrigerator or freeze for long-term storage. If storing in a freezer, put it in a wide-mouthed jar and leave enough room at the top for an airspace. This recipe can be used to make any type of syrup. Simply replace elderberries for the herb you want to make syrup with.